of silence has a new concept right here. Those. This means one count rest. Then we call it quarter rest. So this is quarter note, and this is quarter rest. And you go silence. Shh, 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 shh. 1, 2. Shh, 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 shh. And another thing I would like to talk about is this beat. I want to make sure you got it right. And those dots. Dots means play short, 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 short. This is opposite. You're gonna connect all those notes. Slur, it's called slur. I hope you remember. Connect all of them. And then make it